Hello and welcome to the Employment Academy. So today is class 5 for the current shooters of May. मैंने इससे पहले 4 क्लासेस करवाए हुए हैं, लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दूंगा, सो यू कैन हैव ए लुक. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हु हैज़ बीन नेम्ड एज द न्यू फॉरेन सेक्रेटरी ऑफ इंडिया टू सक्सीड हर्ष वर्धन सिंगला. ओके, द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी विनय मोहन क्वाट्रा. ओके, next question is which album has received album of the year award at 64th Grammy Award 2022. This Grammy award is for musicians, okay, musicians, for the music industry. The correct answer is We Are by John Barristi. Okay, John Barristi. Next is which day is marked as the World Autism Awareness Day every year? So the correct answer is April 2. The theme will be, what is the theme? The theme will be inclusion in workplace. Inclusion in workplace. Okay. ऑस्टिम इज एन एक बीमारी है ये. ओके, एक बीमारी का नाम है ये ऑस्टिन. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे आते हैं. हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज द चेयरपर्सन ऑफ द नेशनल कमीशन फॉर शेड्यूल कास्ट्स. ओके, सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी विजय संपला. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज which country has conferred the Public Relation Award 2022 by the Public Relations Society of India. So the correct answer will be National Mineral Development Corporation. Okay, Padma Shri Binapani Mohanty passed away recently. She was a writer. She was a very renowned writer. Okay, so this is important again. Next question is which among the following projects has been awarded the Indian Building Congress Best Infrastructure Project Award? The correct answer is Atal Tunnel. This is built by BRO, Border Road Organization. Okay, आगे बढ़ते हैं. Which Indian actress will be a part of 75th Cannes Film Festival jury? Okay, this is a very important one. Deepika Padukone. Okay, she will be a part of 75th Cannes Film Festival jury. Okay, this will be held in France. Okay, चलो. Who was the world's oldest person till her death in April 19, 2022? The correct answer is Kin Tanaka. She is from Japan. So she lived for 119 years. Okay. Next is what is the theme of the Earth Day 2022? The correct answer is Invest on your planet. ओके, इन्वेस्ट ऑन योर प्लेनेट. ये कब मनाया जाता है? 22 अप्रैल. ओके, 22 अप्रैल. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज मैच द फॉलोइंग. सो सुमन बेरी इज वाइस चेयरमैन ऑफ नीति आयोग. ओके, देन AB Abdullah Kuti, he is the chairman of he is the chairperson of Hajj Committee of India. Ajay Kumar Sood, he is the principal scientific advisor of the government. Okay, and then Manoj Kumar, he is the director general of military operation. So correct answer will be C. 4 3 2 1. Okay, who has been named as the recipient of the champions of the Earth Award 2021 under the lifetime achievement category? So the correct answer is David Attenborough. Okay, who has been named as the next chief of army staff? Okay, so the correct answer is Manoj Pandey. Okay, जो विपिन सर थे, बिपिन रावत, he was CDS, Chief of Defence Service. Okay, now he is dead, he is no more. अभी बात ये चल रही है कि मनोज पांडे will come in place of him. Okay, what does the CDS do? Okay, CDS directly reports to the PM, प्राइम मिनिस्टर. इनके अंदर ये मिलिट्री या फिर आर्मी आप बोल लो, आर्मी आप बोल लो, आर्मी, देन एयरफोर्स, एंड नेवी, तीनों के चीफ इनके अंडर रहते हैं. दे रिपोर्ट टू CDS एंड CDS रिपोर्ट्स टू द PM. ओके, चीफ डिफेंस सिस्टम. ओके, करेंटली ही इज़ द चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ, बट बात चल रही है कि हाँ लेफ्टिनेंट जनरल मनोज पांडे को CDS का पोजीशन दिया जाएगा. लेट्स सी आगे क्या होता है. हु हैज़ बीन कॉन्फर्ड विद द इंटरनेशनल गांधी अवार्ड फॉर लियोप्सी 2021 in individual category? The correct answer is Bhushan Kumar. Who has been appointed as the chief of G20 coordinator of India for the upcoming 23 G20 summit? The correct answer is Harsh V. Sringla. Okay, he is the coordinator. Okay, he is the coordinator. तो अभी ये इंडिया में होने वाला है 2023 में. G20 summit will be held in India. Okay. Next is, which airport has emerged as the world's busiest airport for 2021 as per the survey of Airport Council International World? So इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है आपका A. ठीक है, हार्ट्सफील्ड जैक्सन एटला इंटरनेशनल एयरपोर्ट. नेक्स्ट इज, नेम द इंडियन राइटर हु हैज़ बीन कॉन्फर्ड विद द प्रेस्टिजियस 22 O. Henry Prize for short stories. The correct answer is Amar Mitra. Who is the author of the book The Maverick Effect? Okay, The Maverick Effect किसने लिखा है? हरीश एस मेहता साहब ने ये लिखा है. Okay, next question is, United Nations has declared which day to be observed as the International Day of Sports for Development and Peace? The correct answer is April 6. Okay, so that's all from my side for today. I will see you in the next class. Till then, keep studying and thank you.